Hello everyone! Have you ever tried a spice called saffron? If this is the first time you have heard of this spice, then let me tell you that saffron is considered the most expensive spice in the world. Saffron threads are the dried stigma of the Cocos sativas flower, and each flower only has 3 stigmas and is harvested by hand. It takes about 80,000 flowers to produce 1 pound of saffron. The labor-intensive growing and processing affects the cost of this spice. An ounce of saffron can cost you around $45 to $60. Saffron is commonly used to flavor and color a lot of Mediterranean, Spanish, and Asian foods. I especially like the subtle flavor and the vibrant color that saffron adds to my recipe. Here, I am adding some saffron to make delicious saffron rice for my Mediterranean-inspired dinner later in this video. I will put the recipe below if you are interested in making this dish. Saffron will add a subtle flavor and aroma, but it's not overpowering. You'll just get a hint that something special was added. It also gives your dish a nice yellow color without looking artificial, making it extra tasty and delicious. Here I am making sure that I'm stirring the saffron really well along with the rest of the ingredients, so my rice can absorb all that flavor and color from the saffron. And here's the complete ensemble of my Mediterranean-inspired dinner. Saffron rice is a great side dish for Greek foods like kebabs and yogurt-marinated grilled chicken. I went all out and made some Greek salad in tzatziki sauce. It looks like a lot of food, but trust me, it's so delicious that I had no leftovers. This dinner is always a winner. Let me know in the comments if you also like Mediterranean food and what's your favorite. I won't make any promises, but if this video gets 200 likes, I'll celebrate and recreate this dinner and film the process for you to see. So remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.